I'm leaving the Treasure Island campground now, heading towards the estuary crossing. It's actually low tide at 7, or just before 7, and it's 7 now, so I'm not where I wanted to be. There's a large group of people doing it, and they're either just left or are leaving now, so I do want to do it with a group of people. The first couple of kilometres is all road work. Just after the campground, I'm heading towards the road, taking the scenic route. I don't know if I'm pointing in the right direction for the camera, but there's a stick just past that tree that's sticking out, so if I'm reading the instructions correctly, that's the way to go. I'm just double checking for people because suck it up, Buttercup. Growing woman. Probably just get my feet wet and it'll all be fine. Tell you what, this is pretty picturesque. Not a bad place to be forced to live, I think. And it's clear enough to see the bottom, so where there are holes I can see that there's a hole. That's kind of helpful. Oh, I see footprints, so some people are ahead of me here, and you can see just coming over and doing it much more sensibly than me, the other people. I went through the water, they're going through the mud. Oh, that's slippery as I tell you. Still following the footprints. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but the mark is just there. Ooh. Yeah, but I cannot see any markers. The sun's in my eyes, so that makes a difference, but oh gosh, I'd like to be able to see the marker. The people behind me are not too far away, so they might have better eyesight. And if nothing else, it would be reassuring to be with other people and have them confirm that this is indeed the way to be going.
When was the low tide yesterday?
6 a.m.
Wow, it changes an hour every day.
that marking?
I thought that marking was those poles over there.
Oh, slippery.
Bastion. There. Do you see the poles that were over there?
What?
There were 2 poles over there. Yeah. Marker right there. There's another one?
You're gonna be smelling pumpkin.
Oh, pity the boardwalk ends.
Little marker here might be well, let's see.
Okay, I'm already shin high. So, oh wow. Yeah.
You want to hand me anything?
Oh, I think I've got it, thank you. Well, that was thoroughly enjoyable. Wish I hadn't lost sleep over it. It was really good. Later did it in the daylight. Again, spectacular views. I could go this way. According to the app, I'm nowhere near here, so I'm just gonna hope. It's probably the steepest bit I've done on a trail so far. Well, no, not quite, but it's going on for a long time. Oh my goodness, that view is so worth the effort. I hope it shows on camera. Wow. Looks like I keep going up. If it shows the view, I'll leave this in. But here's part of, I've just come up such a long way and I've still got a fair distance to go. Wow, it's fairly steep, that's all. Amazing view, so very worthwhile. my first view of Ocean Beach, where I'm going to be camping at the very southern end, just below the hill there. And that hill, Ream Head, is my challenge for tomorrow. Right now, I'm going to sit and have my break. Oh. Somebody else sitting. Now it's a bit of a road walk and onto Ocean Beach. But if every road walk could be like this, I would be happy as Larry. It's really nice. Come from way up there. I'm going over there, I think. Kilometres along beach, definitely 2 hours. I can't even see the group that was ahead of me. I'm at the end of the beach. Maybe I'm halfway. I don't know, it's really hard to tell on beach, isn't it? For me, it's always one of those, are we there yet moments, because they just seem to go on forever. Can you hear that, ballyhoo? There's some real fuss going on over there. I'd rush past them, but honestly I'm not getting anywhere very fast. I'll just have to walk, put up with me trundling along slowly, I think. Putting my tracking skills to the test. The footprints are all going that way, so I'm going to go that way too. Oh no, there is more beach. I thought I was at the end. Oh well, not much more beach, right? Not much more. This is quite nice here. Be a lovely spot to come have a picnic, play in the tide pools. Is quite frankly the most terrifying climb I've done so far. Probably doesn't look like much from here, but and this is it in front of me. That was not a pretty climb. You're lucky you didn't see it. Oh my gosh. I am not an adventurous person, so that was really scary with a heavy backpack for me, but I lived to tell the tale. Oh. Hopefully I don't have any more stories like that for a little while. Whew. I tell you, I can hear my heart beating. Oy. It looks like there was a way up there, which might have been marginally less terrifying. Can you see that? But the big orange arrow was on the scary tree root pit.